Kids are alcoholics like that. I really didn't know.
I wonder who we get it from. I wonder who we get it from.
I don't drink anymore as much.
Huh?
That's Mr.
I would say you want to go in the water first.
Man, I hadn't had one drink. I did have a Bloody Mary, didn't I? That's what I'm going to do was that. Oh, Kirsten, you okay? Brock, Kirsten, you okay? You all right? Don't look like you were panicking. So. Yeah, girl, you're going to drown both of us. What you jumping for?
You want to look at the man who fell off the rock.
Oh. Yeah, you need them water shoes. Now you tell us. Oh, I tell you. Shit, hell yeah. When you experience it a few times, you're like, oh, hell no, I ain't going nowhere when I'm on. Even in our pool, I'll be like, damn, I put my water shoes on. Shit. Hell. Yeah, they snorkeling. What are you doing? I want my goggles back.
I'm gonna hold you tight, so you ready. I'm gonna pull you. Those are cool. What are these? They like glasses.
I always keep them on, keep them with you.
I like Dominique. I don't know. Are those Dominique?
No, those are mine.
Oh.
Those are mine. And I told Jaden to pack his. What?
Well, stop spitting. Cover your mouth so you can smell like this. See, you know she rubbing the shit in. She showed me the pictures. I was like, you know what? I look at my breath and I said, I don't even want this shit no more.
Somebody don't hate. You got me in you got her in trouble.
Let me ask you, did y'all get the trippy grits though?
No.
I gotta get the trippy grits.
No, we ain't get no trippy grits with the lobster. We ain't get none of that.
With lobster tails.
Lobster tail?
Hey, that's some bullshit.
Will you come with me to our man so we can get like the snorkel and stuff?
Yeah, they got the snorkel equipment. You just gotta go up there and get it. Yeah, that'd be good to practice with right here.
You have ID? Huh? You have ID?
Yeah, they just need your card. Yeah, what's the name? Hey, how many jet ski in? Right here. Cause you can pump each other. You can go to a pair. How many jet skis? All your kids. Because what I'm trying to figure, because you can do individuals or you can pump each other. Deanna's going individual this time. You want your? So we need to go sign them up. We need to sign up. All of them want to drive. I need to go sign. Get what's name to sign up. Who all gonna drive on jet ski?
Is it just the jet skis?
Yeah, the jet ski. Yeah, and like I say, you can pair up.
Yeah,
you know. Yeah. Right. But you probably want your own. Cause my baby gonna do hers. You're not going to. I know you're not.
I'm gonna talk to everybody else.
I will. I mean, cause Jaden can ride on back of.
Look, be some money you can save.
Exactly. So I'm trying to pair them up. So I have to do one jet ski with two people, and they can take turns instead of individuals. So I'm just trying to find out who wants jet ski, cause they all gonna have to have life preservers on. So I ain't worried. So. So Essence, if you want to, you can do individual or you can pump Jaden. Jaden ride a ride with someone. Yeah, that's a good plan. I'm trying to see if Maya and Dominique gonna trade up. And then you can. I didn't say it, but you and Dominique can trade up.
Yeah, trade up and drive.
Yeah, you can pump each other.
Yeah.
It makes it more cost effective. And then I get Ryan and myself, and then they get so 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wish I had a GoPro.
1. She's not gonna jet ski. No. That was. Yeah.
You did so good last time. Yes, you did.
So look like how many? 5? 1. Dominique. Dominique said she wanna drive. But she on Hunter, Maya they gonna switch. Yeah. You're by individual. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huh?
What he wooing about?
That he get to drive by himself, Ryan.
Oh, Lord.
But Essence and Jaden gonna ride together. Dominique and Maya gonna ride together. So, you say you gonna ride?
If it's an even number, like to pair, I will. If not, I don't have to.
It's up to you. I mean, you'll love it. Trust me, you'll love it.
I do.
Yeah, I mean, you done it before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if it's
So Rodney and
number, I don't have to do it.
yeah. So I'm just trying to see how many jet skis to order. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
He gonna probably want
No, he don't swim.
Oh, okay.
Will ain't touch this water. We'll say he put his big toe in there, about it.
Okay.
So 1, 2. Y'all doing individuals? 3, 4. Y'all doing individuals?
Yeah, me and Deanna doing individuals.
Okay.
We're not having an incident like
4.
last time.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7. I'm trying to get the right count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7
People.
Yes, no, 7 jet skis.
I'm riding by myself.
Yeah.
I'm not getting on with no other. No.
Well, you can ride. Wait a minute.
Then 6 jet skis.
Oh. Let me go get Guillermo. Kinfolk, you got some beer? You got some beer? Y'all got a bucket? Okay, hold on. Let me see about these jet skis right quick.